Okay, so let me make a short video to highlight current nesting functionality in Ency, explain the workflow, where to find it, and also deliver you the next steps in the development. So I have a kind of a roadmap for nesting functionality. Hopefully it will be done pretty soon. I will explain what to expect. Let's begin with some important things it's essential to highlight because we need to know where to get the layout from. I open a new project, I go to model, and instead of using import, which is the standard way to add the part, the workpiece, the fixture, any other solids, for nesting we need to use sketching. Practically, it means that you can draw something using modeling functionality of Ency, and at the same time, we can use it for import of the Ency의 file. So that's essential to have this in mind, that we need to go through sketching. Okay, so now we have this. I also will import another one, which is sample. Okay, and here is some things to mention, which are current limitations of our nesting. We cannot use the text for now. We need to delete, and this as well, so it will not be so well for our nesting model if we keep it. And let's try to find a way to make a nesting. We can use only this, or we can use this, doesn't matter. What we do, we go to sketch, create nesting, and it seems that the system now shows us 3 profiles. Okay, uh, there are some things to mention, that there is an area to highlight, to preview the profile. I think we need 2 of these, and okay, one. Important here to mention that we don't see the sheet settings visible. So in graphic area we don't see anything, but that's important to make it bigger than the real part right now. Otherwise, the nesting will not run. So the could be anything. We just do like that, or maybe we need to do like that, which is for example, like that. So the system will do the nesting. Here is some use of sheet. We will need also some gapping between parts, maybe, to leave some area for the tool. Yes, maybe we will need something on the side. Let's say we will select it later on. Okay, if it's okay, we say nesting, and the system creates for us this kind of um, geometry, and we can use it in machining. Um, Okay, so I will show you the project that I have done with support team. So we found maybe a laser cutter, maybe some other cutting machine, pretty similar to nesting. And what we have done, we picked the sketching, and we use it for 2D contouring operation, one of the simplest operations in ANSI. It's a standard milling operation. All the settings there refers to milling. We can use it with some adjustments in leads in, leads out, in some technological things can be done. And also we did some okay, why I cannot see the holes? We did some holes thanks to recognition feature inside ANSI. We chose other, and the system detected the holes. Okay, done, we did it. Maybe it's not the ideal one, but you can play with, you can do it better. So the thing that is important for me to mention, that our current nesting functionality, okay, it goes to make some drillings, I think. Okay, okay, it's done. Okay, it's already done. Yep. Chips. What what is essential? That first of all, we don't just import the XF as a part. We need to go through sketch. Then there are some things to improve in reading the XF. We cannot apply the letters currently. And the next steps that we would need to improve as well, besides the user interface, um, it refers to inner areas nesting. Imagine if you would have some empty area inside the console, we would need to use this for nesting. It will be done in next 2 weeks. We will deliver in the next tenth release. Then we will teach the system to make Z-shaped parts. It will be done in September. And then we are going to make cross-shaped parts because with rectangulars could be pretty simple, but with other shapes not yet. So we will teach the system to do that. Then we will apply some optimization tools. Until end of the year, we hope to finalize this development. And currently, nesting is not an additional, operation. It's a feature inside Modeline. So you can try it in any license, regardless the configuration, and the operations that will be used will be managed by type of a license file. So if it will be 2x milling or cutting license, the smallest milling, you will have to decontouring, and that's okay. You will also have a whole machine in operation, and it's also okay for nesting. If it will be more sophisticated configuration like for 5D cutting, it will also include nesting because currently, I repeat, it's not the thing that is pretty well licensed. When we will finalize the development of our nesting, we will put it back as a dedicated functionality, and it will be again delivered as a model as any other feature inside the system. While currently, as I said, that's more than in R&D status than in commercial. That's it. I delivered the video and hope to get your questions pretty soon.